Everyone, this is Dr. Yati. Now today we are going to discuss about solve the differential equation d square minus 8d plus 9 into y equals to sin 3x. Okay, given differential equation is, first of all write here d square minus 8d plus 9 into y equals to sin 3x, assuming that this is the equation number 1. Okay, now solve this differential equation using the operator form. That is, first of all, here the given problem, assume that equation number 1, and this is non-homogeneous linear differential equation, and is in the form of, here write f of d into y equals to x. This is assume that equation number 2. Okay, now on comparing equation 2 with equation 1, then only write f of d equals to d square minus 8d plus 9. Here x equals to sin 3x. Okay, here f of d means comparing equation 2 by equation 1. Here f of d, in place of f of d is there d square minus 8d plus 9. In place of x is there sin 3x. The general solution of non-homogeneous linear differential equation is, this is the non-homogeneous linear differential equation, and capital D square D or the operator forms in the differential equation. Now the solution of non-homogeneous linear differential equation is y equals to CF plus PI. Here CF means complementary function and PI means particular integral. Therefore, first of all find out this solution of the equation complementary function. First of all, before we are going to assuming that the auxiliary equation f of m equals to 0. Here f of d write in terms of m, that is m square minus 8m plus 9 equals to 0. Next of all, find out the roots of this equation. Okay, assuming that this is the quadratic equation. I mean comparing, this is the quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. In this auxiliary equation, comparing this quadratic equation. Okay, here find out the complementary function means, first of all find out the roots of m. Here the roots of m, find out the procedure means, using the procedure means here factorization method. Okay, first of all in this equation, using factorization method, in this factorization method, not suitable correct multiples of coefficients, then only immediately go to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a formula. This equation, first of all, here using the factorization method, then only find out the roots of m. But in this equation, there is no correct suitable multiplication of the coefficients. Then immediately go to find out the factors of m is, using the formula here m equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, using this formula here. Then a equals to 1 and b equals to 8, sorry minus 8, plus c equals to 9. That is, using the minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac means minus of 8 plus or minus root of minus b square, that is minus 8 whole square minus 4ac minus 4 into a means 1 into c means 9 by 2a, 2 into 1. Okay, now using this formula here already explained here, using the same explanation is there here. Okay, now here minus of minus 8 means plus 8 plus or minus root of minus 8 square means 64 minus 9 4s are 36 by 2. 8 plus or minus root of 64 minus 36 that is 28 by 2. That equals to 8 plus or minus root of 64 minus 36 means here 64 minus 36 that is 28. This is 28. I mean root of 28, right? Root of 4 into 7. Therefore 8 plus or minus root 4 means 2. 2 root 7 by 2. Here root of 4 means 2. Next remaining root 7 means write as it is here under square root of 7. Okay, now these two elements 2 into 4 plus or minus 2 root 7 by 2. M equals to 4 plus or minus root 7. The roots are real and conjugate pair of each of the form here alpha plus or minus root beta. Here alpha equals to 4, root beta equals to root 7. Okay, hence the complementary function CF, right? CF equals to e power ax. The formula first of all right here c1 cos h root beta x plus c2 sin h root beta x. Now e power 4x into c1 cos h root 7x plus c2 sin h root 7x. The particular integral. Now we are going to find out particular integral. It is a formula here pi equals to x by f of d. Pi equals to sin 3x by d square minus 8d plus 9. Hence x is of the form sin ax. So d square equals to minus a square. D square equals to minus 3 square. Here substitute d square equals to minus 3 square. Then pi, particular integral pi equals to sin 3x by minus 9 minus 8d plus 9. Minus 9 plus 9 gets cancels. Therefore sin 3x by minus 8d. Here minus sin 3x by 8d minus 1 by 8 into 1 by capital D into sin 3x. Here 1 by capital D into sin 3x means we are going to integration. Then capital D of sin 3x means we are going to differentiation. Here integration means what is the integration of sin 3x? Cos minus cos 3x. Again 3x means 3. Integration means here write the denominator 3. Then minus 1 by 8 into minus cos 3x by 3. Okay, here minus or minus means plus 1 by 8 3s are 24 plus 1 by 24 into cos 3x. Therefore, particular integral pi equals to 1 by 24 into cos 3x. This is the particular integral. Okay, finally, the equation number is 5. On substituting equation 4, what is the equation number 4 here? The complementary function. What is the equation number 4? Here the complementary function. This is the equation number 4. This is the equation number 4. Complementary function. Okay, here complementary function means e power 4x into c1 cos h root 7x plus c2 sin h root 7x. This is the complementary function. Here the solution means y equals to complementary function plus pi. Therefore, here write y equals to complementary function, that is e power 4x c1 cos h root 7x plus c2 sin h root 7x plus 1 by 20. This is the particular integral pi. This is equation number 5. Here substitute plus 1 by 4, I mean particular integral 1 by 24 cos 3x. This is the solution of the given problem. That is, a non-homogeneous linear differential equation problem. D square minus 8d plus 8 into y equals to sin 3x. The solution will get here y equals to e power 4x into c1 cos h root 7x plus c2 sin h root 7x plus 1 by 24 cos 3x. Okay, thank you.